Look at that little one go! Meow! 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 Garden fresh cucumbers. They're crunchy and harvest is my favorite season. Farm life is the best life. We have fresh air, delicious produce, and plenty of space to roam around and play with our friends. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. picking up some fun. Why did the cat sit on the computer?
Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse.
That's a classic one.
Why did the cat sit on the computer? Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse.
Come join our culinary adventure with fresh ingredients, delicious recipes, and fun times in the kitchen as we prepare amazing dishes. Welcome to our delightful fruit stand.
We have the fresh breakthrough straight from the farm. I saw a bowl of fruit floating in the air. Were you dreaming? No, it was a waking dream. Why did the cat sit on the computer? Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Mouse! Dinner is served!
Yum! What a delightful feast this is shaping up to be. I am so excited to enjoy.
Why did the cat sit on the computer?
Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Why did the cat sit on the computer?
Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Treats, please! We have been very good today, and we are looking forward to a delicious snack after all our adventures. Why did the cat sit on the computer? To keep an eye on the mouse.
follow us on our magical journey.
Why did the kitten wear a giant farmer's hat? Because it wanted to be a professional agriculturist, ready for some hilarious adventures in the fields.
Bumpy ride, little one. Bumpy ride, little one. Farm life rocks.
Look at all these fish we have gathered! We got the fish!
Harvest ho! It is going to be a fantastic day to get this work done. Let's make sure we gather everything efficiently.
Time to plow some perfection and get this field ready for a bountiful harvest, wouldn't you agree? Time to grow some fun.
We're
making a difference by planting.
This is hard work, but I think we're making good progress out here, don't you agree? All these plants need our care and attention to grow.
Time to plant happiness. Let's cultivate joy and watch it grow into a bountiful harvest for everyone to share.
Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Get it? Two tires, like exhausted.
Harvest season is here! I am so excited to gather all of our crops from the farm.
Why did the cat sit on the computer? Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Why did the orange stop in the middle of the road? Because it ran out of juice. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well.